Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to crop your picture on the Pixelcut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Click on the create button down below on the left side corner and then tap on the camera button at the top of the screen and take a picture. Then click on the use photo button down below and then you should tap on the open in editor button. Then tap on the picture itself and then you should slide to the right side and then click on the crop button. And here you should drag the corners and select the relevant size. You can also rotate your picture as you can see it here. And then click on the done button down below in the right side corner to save your picture. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.